Welcome to Shelftech channel. Today, we will explore interesting and exciting content together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the latest videos from us. Are you someone who enjoys snacking while gaming or indulging in leisure time but doesn't want your fingers to get messy? With SNAGGER Snack Holder, you not only get a personal space for your favorite snacks, but also ensure hygiene and convenience. You can savor your snacks without having to share eating space with others, creating a private and comfortable dining experience. With its unique design and functionality, SNAGGER is not only a hygienic solution, but also becomes a personal item and an ideal gift for any occasion. Whether you appreciate modern and convenient dining experiences, or are looking for a creative way to refresh your snacking routine, SNAGGER offers a diverse and unique choice. Motion One is not just a gaming chair, it's an icon of the groundbreaking synergy between technology and entertainment experience. The strategic collaboration between Cooler Master and D-Box has created a masterpiece of haptic feedback, taking you to a new dimension of emotions and exhilaration. This chair will immerse you in an adventure and bring a modern touch to your home entertainment experience. Every powerful movement, from the thrilling sensations of racing to intense action scenes, becomes vivid, allowing you to enjoy every detail with unparalleled realism. What if you had an underwater scooter that allows you to explore the depths of the ocean with complete freedom of movement? This sleek and compact device is a significant advancement for both amateur and professional divers. Advanced technology enables you to effortlessly explore the marvelous world beneath the ocean floor. Gliding through the water, propelled by the powerful and efficient engine of the Lefeet S1 Pro, makes underwater navigation smooth and exciting. Unleash your adventurous spirit as you effortlessly glide through vibrant coral reefs, encounter exotic fish, and uncover the mysteries hidden beneath the water. The Mankerlight Timeback 3 flashlight is a fascinating flashlight. Using the 18350 battery, it delivers a maximum brightness of up to 3000 lumens, ensuring illumination in every dark corner. What makes it interesting is that it goes beyond just powerful brightness. The Timeback 3 is equipped with unique and entertaining features. The integrated spinner provides an entertaining experience and stress relief whenever needed. Additionally, it features a pack coin function and a pressure relief button, creating unique movements and sounds. Going further, this flashlight combines with breathing lights and atmospheric lights, creating an elegant and distinctive atmosphere in any situation. Wonder Machines is a unique product that creates a slow motion effect for objects inside the frame. The Wonder Machine's frame is a living fixture where objects like flowers, leaves, or hourglasses become like slow motion sculptures. Soft light shines upon them, creating a mystical painting where time seems to be held still, and each detail shines. It's not just a slow motion device, it's also a tool that brings forth unique beauty and a fusion of light, color, and form. Beyond slowing down the movement of the world around us, it also slows down our hearts so that we can immerse ourselves in the exquisite beauty and magic of slowness, where every moment becomes more precious and beautiful than ever. Handheld printer PrintPen is a conventional printing tool combined with creative inspiration for culinary arts. With the ability to print directly on food, PrintPen is not only a perfect choice for individuals looking to create personal culinary masterpieces, but also a unique solution for businesses and special events. The food-grade ink is safe and harmless when used directly on food, creating culinary works of art that enhance the beauty of each dish and provide a unique experience for both your taste buds and visual senses, so you don't have to worry when enjoying delicious meals. Riyal IKEA's YUPPIENALLE design makes it easy and convenient to place your mobile phone. With sturdy and durable materials, it keeps the phone stable and secure. You can place the phone at various angles depending on your usage needs. With its affordable price and flexibility, Riyal IKEA's phone stands in an essential accessory for any workspace or entertainment space.